I gotta say, hell of a snowstorm tonight. Woo, doggy. I want to give a special shout out to Kurt Stepanchenko. He saved me in the GF. He literally pushed my car with his truck basically through the entire sub. Entrance was a little blocked off. Here we go. Knew it. Come on, baby. Looks like someone's coming to hit me out. We got a little pile up here at Versailles Gardens. The conditions are a little snowy. With Cherokee here to save the.
All right, dude, you're gonna need to keep going through there. Whatever you do, do not stop. If anyone's double parked, just shoot the gap and fucking go.
He already said, just effing go for it. I'm moving right now. Shout out to Alex and the Cherokee crew for helping people out. And I got a big turn coming up. Forward. Reverse. There's a little lesson called the rock. You go drive, and you go reverse, and then you go drive. Go. I gotta shoot the gap now. Shoot the gap. Okay, shoot the gap. Shooting the gap. Yeah, here are my dudes right here. I told you they'd come back for me, man. I told you. Thanks, Cherokee crew. Yeah, what do you want me to do, man?
Take it, put it all the way down to first gear.
All the way down to first gear.
Don't leave it in drive.
Okay.
Take it all the way down to first gear.
Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! Yeah! Home sweet home! Home sweet home! It's my dude right here.
Yeah.
Good people right there. Brought me home. Cherokee crew.